have first heart sound and second heart sound. Okay? You know the valves of the heart? How many valves in the heart? Four. We have two valves between the atria and the ventricles, and the two valves, one for aorta and one for pulmonary trunk. Okay? So we have four valves in our heart. Valve between right atrium and right ventricle. This one, tricuspid valve. One between left atrium and the left ventricle. This one is called bicuspid or mitral. Bicuspid or mitral valve. Okay? And this one we said for pulmonary. This one it is called semilunar valve. Pulmonary semilunar valve. And one for the aorta, this one aortic semilunar valve. Closure of atrioventricular valves give us the first heart sound. Closure of semilunar valves, pulmonary and aortic, give us the second heart sound. What is the difference between first and second heart sound? We have this one, that's the first heart sound, and this one second heart sound. This one we said caused by what? Caused by closure of AV valves. What is the AV valves? Mitral or bicuspid and tricuspid. Tricuspid valve. Mitral valve and tricuspid valve. This one caused by what? Caused by closure of semilunar valves. What are the semilunar valves? Aortic valve and pulmonary valve. First heart sound usually, like the word what? Love. This one? Like dub. This one, first heart sound, soft. This one, sharp. No. Sharp. This one, long. Longer than the second one. And this one, short. First heart sound in which phase of the cardiac cycle? Occurs in which phase of cardiac cycle? We have phase, it is called the isometric contraction phase. Beginning of contraction. It is called what? Isometric contraction phase. First heart sound occurs during what? Isometric. Contraction phase. At the beginning, before beginning of before contraction, just before contraction, there is phase. It is called what? Isometric contraction phase. Second heart sound occurs during what? During isometric relaxation phase. That's the difference between first heart sound and second heart sound. If we ask you about first heart sound, for example, give a short account about first heart sound, you have to mention all these. Give a short account about second heart sound, you have to mention all these. Okay, give what is the difference between first and second, you have to mention this one. We have what's called auscultation area. Best site for hearing is the valves. Best site for hearing what? The valves. We have best site for hearing mitral, best site for hearing tricuspid, best site for hearing aortic. That's not the position of the valves. For example, that's the position of the heart. It's like that. Look for the valve, a pulmonary valve. It's here in the left, in the right. Okay? but usually we hear it when in the left side. Look for aortic valve present in what? In the left. But the best side for hearing it is the right side, like that. Okay? So we have what's called auscultation area. What is the auscultation area? The best side for hearing the valves. Not the position of the valves. Best side for hearing it. Okay? You have to know the best side for hearing all these valves. Auscultation area, you remember sternum? Huh?
Yes.
Mandibular sterni, body, and xiphoid process. Here we have first rib corresponding to sternal angle. Here, this one is called the sternal angle. Second rib, third rib, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Okay, and here on the other side also. Okay, this one it is called what? First rib. Second rib. Third, fourth rib, and so on. Okay, and then the other side also. Space between first rib and second rib, it is called what? First intercostal space. Between second rib and third rib, second intercostal space. Between third and fourth, third intercostal space, fourth intercostal space. Fifth, and so on. Sixth, space between the ribs, it is called what? Intercostal space. The best side for hearing aortic valve is here, in this area. Aortic valve. The best side for hearing aortic valve here. Best side for hearing pulmonary valve is here. Okay. Best side for hearing tricuspid is here. On the sternum like that. Tricuspid valve. Here, you know a clavicle. We have line, you remember mid-clavicular line, extended from middle of clavicle to what? Middle of inguinal ligament. Okay. This line, like that, this is called what? Mid-clavicular line. The best side for hearing mitral valve is here. Right. Usually we ask you, name the best side for hearing mitral valve. You will see what? Present in what? You have to mention right or left at the beginning. Left. Which space? Fifth intercostal space. On the mid-clavicular line. Or at the mid-clavicular line. Forget him. Regarding the aortic valve, what is the, describe the position of aortic valve, best side for hearing aortic valve.
Right, second.
Right, second, intercostal space, close to the sternum. Close to the sternum. Pulmonary valve, What is the position of it? Left,
Second
second intercostal space, close to the sternum. Tricuspid, right, fifth intercostal space on the sternal margin, on the sternum. Okay? Right, now how you can count the space? How you can count it? Look at me. We said second rib correspond to what?
Sternal angle.
Sternal angle. If you like to count the space, intercostal space, put your finger in what? Your finger in the jugular notch. Here. Jugular notch. And go down a little bit, you find a small elevation. After about 1 centimeter or 2 centimeters like that. A small elevation. A small elevation, this means a sternal angle. Sternal
Angle.
corresponding to it, second rib. Under second rib, second intercostal space. Third rib. Under it, third intercostal space. And so on. You can count that. يبقى again, you have to put your finger in what? The jugular notch. And to go down a little bit like that. Okay, if there is elevation, this elevation corresponding to second rib. لازم small elevation.
مش كانوا كلافيكال دكتور؟
محدش
دكتور ما دخلت ببالي. مش كانوا كلافيكال؟ ما نزل تحت هاي كلافيكال هذا.
لا لا تعال jugular notch اهو.
اوكي. مو هاي كلافيكال هاي كلافيكال؟
انت اللي طلعت فوق ما تخش قبلها كده.
اوكي. هي لها سارة.
انت بتلف بايدك لفوق.
اي صح صح. غلط.
يوتيوب
يوتيوب شمالي.
سويت الفيديو على اليوتيوب
عندك قناة.
سويت قناة بس انتجريتد.
Look at me. Look at me. فين what is the cystoscope? How you can use the stethoscope? This one is called what? This one is called the stethoscope. That's one chest piece. This one. And this one earpieces. Earpieces. Look at me. In the chest piece, this one is called the drum. You have to check if this, your stethoscope is opened or closed. Okay? Regarding earpieces, look for the direction of the earpieces. Should be directed a little bit forward. Like that. Okay? Directed a little bit forward. Why? Because the auditory canal directed a little bit forward, like that. So you have to take the same direction of the auditory canal. Okay, like that. Put it at first like that, and then check if your stethoscope is opened or closed. Because sometimes it will, now it's open. If you like to close it, just roll this one. Okay? So now it's okay, closed.
How we know it's closed?
Okay?
You hear sound?
Check. It's a closed door. Earpiece is directed forward.
It's open. I can hear it.
Close it.
A little bit.
Okay. Now what's happened? Divide yourself into groups. Divide yourself into groups. 3 groups. And start to hear the heart sound. Take care. If you put your stethoscope anywhere on the chest, you will hear lap-dap. You will hear what? Lap-dap. In any area. Here, in area. Lap-dap. But if you like to make a comment about first heart sound, for example, you have to put your stethoscope on what? On mitral and tricuspid. If you like to make a comment about second heart sound, you have to put your stethoscope about what? Aortic and pulmonary. Okay? Yeah, now divide yourself into groups and start.